On one of my recent videos, I had this comment made about talking about interest rates and when they go down. This person doesn't seem to think that people are waiting for interest rates to go down, but I want to show you how much interest rates do affect your purchase of a home right now. I also want you to understand that even though the Federal Reserve is going to be lowering interest rates, that does not mean that mortgage interest rates are going to drop at the same level as the Fed funds rate. So right now they're just projecting that maybe mortgage rates by the middle to end of next year will be in the fives, maybe the low fives, depending on the loan that you're getting. But you can actually get that rate right now. And let me show you how to do this. What I want to show you is that this is based on a conventional loan with a $350,000 purchase price and a 5% down purchase. This is really going to make a big difference on a VA loan or an FHA loan, but for this purpose, I'm going to show you what a conventional loan looks like. Let's say you go into a home that you absolutely love. You decide you want to put on an offer on it, and you've got a really good realtor, and they negotiate a lower purchase price for you. So you get that purchase price at $339,500. So off of that purchase price, you're going to put down the 5%. Your loan amount is going to be $322,525, which gives you a principal and interest payment of $2,145. Now, the same instance, now look at it at a 6% interest rate, and a full purchase price offer of $350,000 is going to give you a loan amount of $332,500. Now, this particular realtor that you're working with manages to negotiate a 3% permanent buy down of the interest rate paid by the seller. That's going to give you a monthly payment of $1,993.51 for principal and interest. Then it's going to save you $152 a month, and it's going to give you a 6% interest rate. Even if the rates do go a little bit lower by the end of the year, it's not going to merit going through the expense of closing costs again to lower that interest rate just into the fives. If you're looking for a home right now, this is what you want to do. When you're negotiating for a home, you want to negotiate that the seller help buy down that interest rate instead of just lowering the purchase price. And if you're a realtor, this is a great opportunity for you to look at getting your homes that are listed moving a little bit faster. Builders are doing this all the time. They are building in a rate buy down in the purchase price, and then the buyers are getting a much better deal. As you can see from that example, you can actually get a much lower interest rate than what the market interest rate is right now by negotiating the seller to pay for a permanent rate buy down, and that way you don't have to worry about refinancing in the future. You don't have to worry about what the interest rates are going to be. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And listen, realtors, if you have a property that has been listed on the market for over a month, it may be time to start advertising a lower interest rate tied to that property instead of just discounting the purchase price. Again, if you have any questions about how to market this or how you can negotiate to get that lower interest rate in today's market, please feel free to reach out to me. And as always, happy house hunting.